We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about YESWELDER Digital MIG-205DS MIG Welder, 200 amp 110-220 volt dual voltage. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories, and now Amazon Black Friday are started. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of YESWELDER Digital MIG-205DS MIG Welder, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Introduce overview, summary or highlight features. MIG-205DS 110-220 volts 200 amp MIG stick TIG multi-process welder. MIG-205DS 3-in-1 multi-process dual voltage synergic welder is powerful helper in welding. The IGBT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit, 33 pounds. It's designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment, and factory maintenance. These units are capable of performing MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. MIG flux welding can take up to 0.35 inch, 0.9 mm, MIG solid wire, gas MIG, and 0.035 inch, 0.9 mm, MIG flux wire, gasless MIG. Stick welding, smooth weld and burning fast. This unit can weld with 70186011 electrodes up to 532 inch 220 volts. Lift TIG is optional, need buy extra TIG lift torch, not included inside product. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.